max lines is equal to 4, max lines mean lines is equal to 1. Okay, max bet is equal to 100. So we will build this project. So first step, DF deposit, while true, amount is equal to input, what would you like to deposit? Okay, if amount dot is digit, amount is equal to int amount. If amount greater than 0, break, else print amount must be greater than 0. Okay, then return amount. Df define get number of lines, while true, lines input f string. We should use f string here. F string which lines you want to bet on. One, then when max lines question mark, then bracket close. If lines dot is digit, lines is equal to int lines. If one, this is less than is equal to lines, less than is equal to max lines, return lines. Okay, df get number of bet. Here we define the function of get number of bet. It's a function we have defined, and then we have created the while loop structure. While true, bet is equal to input f string. How much would you like to bet on each line? Okay, dollar close. Then if bet dot is digit, it's a method dot is digit. Okay, and bet is equal to int bet. If 10 less than is equal to bet, less than is equal to max bet, break. It will break the whole loop structure. It will be close this loop. So when we run this program, then it after we run, it will uh, break automatically, right? So we created to break the structure, means we have to stop the application. So here we can also write here syst soic dot exit 0, right? Then we can also put here quiet. Then instead of those, we uh, choose to break. Okay, if bet greater than max bet, it is the comparative operator. If bet greater than max bet, print then f string started, f number of bet must be less than max bet, return bit df. Then okay, we have returned the bit. Then df main, we have defined the main function. Balance is equal to deposit, lines is equal to get number of line functions, print balance lines. Another bet is equal to input. Would you like to another bet? Yn. If here we want to uh, create another uh, another loop structure where user can start again, right? So here we wrote another bet is equal to input. Would you like to put another bet? It will come fast, and we will see when we run the program. I run this program. Okay, if another bit is equal to y, print thank you for playing quite main. Okay, so here is the program. Here is the Python code. We looked at to build a uh, bet application, mean where user could bet their amount. So let's run this program, see how it works, how really it is, how it's working. Okay, question is, would you like to put another bet? uh, okay, why? We wrote why. Okay, would you like what would you like to deposit? It mean how much amount you'd like to deposit. We take $18. Okay, which lines you want to bet on? 1 to 4. I mean it means 1 2 3 4 is line. we see the two lines. Okay, in two lines we will want to bet on, then run 18 2. Okay, here is the deposit amount and line 2. Okay, this is we run this code. If you have any problem, then you can so comment us on YouTube. Okay, so we will clear your doubt on this related programs, any uh, code uh, in any number of line. Okay,